In this video, I will show how to add HubSpot form in your WordPress website. At first, you need to go your WordPress website backend and go to your plugin. Your plugin and add new plugin. Click on add new plugin and search HubSpot form. Is HubSpot form. You can this HubSpot form into install. You need to install and click active. Yeah, this plugin is successfully installed and active. And go to your HubSpot form dashboard and you sign in your Google account. Sign in with your Google account. And I have lots of Gmail here, and you can use there are my Gmail, and you can use your own Gmail. Now sign in your continue with Google and click on continue with Google, and write down here your company name and click on next. Click on next. Company website you can do, and here I can, and you will whatever you want. So I skip this, and I skip this area. So I keep this, skip this area. And click on complete. Click on connect HubSpot. Click on get started. Click on get started and and you can hear the live chat forms can contact. You should use the forms create forms button. You should use the create form button, and create form, and I select contact as form. Here are so many forms you are here. Is it contact as form template, and click on create form, and you can see your form is ready. Now the form is ready, and you can copy the shortcut, WordPress shortcut, form shortcut. It's a form shortcut, and you should copy this shortcut and back to my page. Click on contact page. I want to insert this. I want to insert this form in my contact page. So I go my contact page and click on this plus icon and search shortcut. And this is the shortcut here. Select the shortcut and you drag to this your where you want to insert this form. Here the shortcut, and I paste my form shortcut. And click on update. And click on update. Now you can use the form heading. That is, you recognize what type of forms this is, and I take this heading and write HubSpot form, so that I can understand this is HubSpot form. Because of I insert this phrase so many contact form for my practice purpose. And when I go to our website and click on contact page, you will see your HubSpot form is successfully inserted there. Yeah, this form is here, and your visitor can use this form